working out in the shop, having another hand to hold the camera isn't often an option. So you need some sort of rest. And tripods are really nice, but they pick up a lot of the vibration from the floor when the table saw is running, and you've got to walk around them. And anybody's ever seen my shop knows that that's hard enough on a good day, let alone with a tripod in the way. So I use this magnetic mount quite a bit. I found it in the road. Obviously it didn't have this wood piece. It was part of a magnetic trailer light setup. And when I found it in the road, all it had was some wire wrapped around it and the shattered remain of a red light. So I took it, I cut the mount off, I drilled it and inserted these two bolts in this little strip of wood right here. And it gives me a fair bit of adjustability. And a lot of the times I can figure out one way or another to get the camera to work within that range. Sometimes I have to flip the camera around, but I can usually get it to work. But I'd really been desiring something more. I also wanted to make some stuff for giveaways. So I came up with this. Now this is a hot shoe head, they call it. It's just a tripod head. And I have attached it to an ironwood base from some of the ironwood that my grandfather hauled back from the war. And that is a microwave magnetron magnet. I had 3, they were all the same size. I suspect they all came out of the same microwave or the same family of microwaves. I don't know how common it is to find them all the same, but yeah. And it holds nice. A lot of strength there, but not so much strength that a fellow can't get it out easily. Would it hold your big Canon to the side of steel heat ducting with a massive telephoto lens on it? Not going to guarantee. But it'll hold a GoPro to dang near anything, and it certainly holds my little Canon Vixac cameras. Well, I don't have a mirror with me. It's just not that big. It's like the size of a red Solo cup, this camera. And it, you know, I'm going to struggle at the 90 degrees, though my little GoPro clone would work just fine at the 90 degree range. So you got that for the 90 degrees. Otherwise, you've got this big wide arc here, and in between turning your mount and moving this post, you're going to be able to zoom in on dang near anything. You will eventually get stuff stuck to the magnets. You just get some masking tape and sort of lint roller it off. Works great.